guys, welcome back to my channel and another Hobonichi haul. Unfortunately for the wrong week. Yeah, so I am doing this for actually the previous week, but you know what? It is, let's see, it is Thursday the 28th, and I am going to head for the airport in like 20 minutes, and I'm trying to get stuff edited before I go, so when I come home I don't have to do any editing, and it's, you know, we're in a good spot, but not in a good spot as far as it comes to editing these videos, because or filming these videos, because yeah, I mess up. So I went ahead and picked up some mild liners. Oh my god, what are they called? They're right next to me. I gotta grab them. Yeah, this is me realizing that they don't do so hot in this. Yeah, mild liners, and I got the light gray, specifically to write in my Hobonichi. So that really stinks. And so I kind of just blew on it to let it dry off, but it didn't do so hot. So I'm like, okay, well, I'm gonna come in and do my main side first. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys watch that while I fill this stuff in.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Oh, yeah, I've discussed it with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face. I stood and wait because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated. It's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get.
Now that the weather is down, I'm still not using stickers in this. I don't know if I will. I may give in eventually. I'm not 100% sure. So I am taking a stencil I got off Amazon. I got 3 different stencils off Amazon. I'm trying to think if I can find a link. I'll link them below because I think these are really great. And again, I know that this is going to do this, so I'm not very smart. I should have drawn all my boxes, and you can see that it touches it and it's wet, but I make sure not to move the stencil and just move like my hand and pick it up. But I don't know, I should have probably waited, but I didn't. And so I'm going to do 4 boxes and then write in the titles for the week. So I will be back once that is done.
Honey, I'm a, yeah. Oh, yeah, I've discussed it with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face. I stood and wait because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated. It's expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to think, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah.
Yeah, that's my realization. Yeah, didn't mean to do that. And I was doing so good here. I'm writing in all my YouTube stuff. I'm being like super careful. And then tragedy strikes at some point. I think it is when I get to this one, if I'm not 100% sure. And it makes me so sad, and you'll see it. It's so close. But yeah, YouTube was a busy week. Yeah, you saw it. Maybe not. Maybe you haven't seen it yet. So YouTube was the busiest for this week because I'm going to be out of town. So I wanted to get so many things edited and like ready, and it happened 50%. I didn't get as many vlogs as I wanted edited, but that's okay. I got a lot of other stuff edited, so once I get back, I can just do the vlogs. Yeah, that's the realization. So I actually end up putting some whiteout over it and rewriting it, and it's okay because I put the highlighter back over it. Again, it's okay. You can see a little bit, but not too much, if that makes sense. So now I'm going to draw in the weather icons, and I need to work on this because that still looks like a sombrero or like a nose with nose hairs. But since I am out of town, that's why there's some drastically warmer weather on Friday and Saturday. So, okay, let's end this painful plan with me. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.